Here's another quick home selling tip for you to consider. As a homeowner, the best way for us to present your home and compete above other listings in your area is presenting your house in the best condition. For example, you can have an inspection done, including a termite and environmental inspection before listing your home to uncover issues ahead of time. You also want to get as many repairs done as possible. These are the things that you can take care of with a minimal investment in time and money. Any dents or scratches, refinishing walls and ceilings, paint and replace all fixtures and hardware. And don't forget sprucing up your exterior and landscaping. Fixing any issues, although small, can pay off in a big way. We could also offer you a pre-list inspection checklist to help you prepare your home. And we actually have better contractors and handymen that can assist us in getting your home ready. If you're thinking to sell or just curious about your home's new value, go to the link below or call, text, or email me for a free no-obligation best price analysis. I look forward to being of help and thank you for your referrals.